Hello students, my name is Anup Kumar Dutta. Today in my YouTube tutorial video of the series of educational videos on NCERT Mathematics, which is completely free to you, I have just taken the question number 7 from the exercise 4.3 of your book class 10 under quadratic equations. Now let us see what the question says. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. That means we have to find out both the two numbers, the larger one and the smaller one, under the given conditions that the difference of the squares of both the two numbers, the larger one and the smaller one, is 180. And if we find out the square of the smaller number, then in this case it comes to be equal to 8 times the larger number. So to do this sum, let us proceed in this way. Write in this way. Let the required larger number be x. After this, write in this way. Therefore, according to question, square of the smaller number is equal to 8 times the larger number. So we will write here 8x. 8 times of the larger number, 8 into x, that means 8x. After this, write in this way. Therefore, the required smaller number is equal to plus minus square root of 8x. After this, write in this way. Again, according to question, the difference of the squares of the two numbers is 180. In this case, the difference of the squares of both the two numbers is given. So we will deduct the square of the smaller number from the square of the larger number. So we will write the square of the larger number first. If we do so, then it becomes x squared minus, now the square of the smaller number according to the question is 8 times the larger number, which is 8x. So in place of the square of the smaller number, we will write here 8x, which will be equal to, according to question, 180. That again implies x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Now if we try to find out the factors of SC, that means 180 into the coefficient of x square, which is 1, then we will get 180, 360 is 180, 320 is 100, 2 3 20s are 60, then 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. Now if we take these three factors and multiply them, then we get 18. 3 3s are 9, 2 9s are 18. And if we take these two factors and multiply them, then we get 2 5s are 10. So this middle term of the quadratic equation can be replaced by minus 18x plus 10x. So this will again implies x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. That again implies, if we take x as common, it will be x minus 18 plus, if we take 10 as common here, we will get here x minus 10 into 18. If we multiply, we get 180, which is here 180. So if we take 10 as common, we will get here the number 18, which is again equal to 0. That again implies x minus 18 into x plus 10 is equal to 0. After this, write in this way. Therefore, either x minus 18 is equal to 0 or x plus 10 is equal to 0. If we consider this relation, we get the value of x to be equal to 18. And if we consider this relation, we get the value of x to be equal to minus 10. After this, write in this way. Now x equal to the required larger number is equal to minus 10. Now when x equal to the required larger number is equal to minus 10, then in that case we get the required smaller number as plus minus square root of 8x. The required smaller number plus minus square root of 8x, which is again equal to plus minus square root of 8 into, in place of x we will write now minus 10. That again equal to plus minus an imaginary number. Therefore, write in this way. Therefore, x equal to minus, x cannot be equal to minus 10. So after this, write in this way. Again, when x equal to the required larger number. Again, when x equal to the required larger number is equal to 18 is equal to 18, in that case we get the required smaller number to be equal to plus minus square root of 8x, which is again equal to plus minus square root of, in place of x we will write now 18. So right here 8 into 18. Now that is again equal to plus minus. If we multiply 18 and 8, we will get 144. That means 8 18s are 144. You can multiply here. If we multiply 18 by 8, we will get 8 8 is 64. 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 14. So 8 18s are 144. That again equal to plus minus 12. Square root of 144 is equal to 12. So these are the answers. Write in this way. That means the required larger number is 18 and the required smaller number can be equal to plus 12, and it can also be equal to minus 12. So these are the answers. So this is all for today. Why not? Of course, I will expect your kind likes, dislikes, comments, subscriptions, and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.